This probably isn't gonna work, but let's just try it anyway. Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and today my very special guest is Nana BOOZHOO. Hey, it's nice to see you, handsome. Oh, thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be on your podcast. Hey. Nah, that would be more production than I need. Okay, take two. Let's just do this and get it over with. How many times am I gonna try to do this? Okay then. So, la la la. Hey, BOOZHOO, and welcome to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And today it's the story of Aandeg, the crow. This is the story of Aandeg and Makwa and all the woodland animals. Once upon a time, back in the days of the grandfathers, when Kitchimanadu was making all the birds, he gave them all special jobs to do. He made Migizi, the eagle, and he said, Migizi, you will be a great messenger. You will be the messenger of the people's prayers. And then he made Gekek, the hawk. And he said, Gekek, you too will be a messenger, but you will be a messenger of the people's needs. Then he made Mang, the loon. He said, Mang, you will be a teacher to the people, but you will be a teacher of love and relationships. And then he made old Aandeg, the crow. And he goes, Aandeg. And just then he gets called away. He goes, hold on, I'll be right back. But Aandeg was impatient. He couldn't wait around for Kitchimanadu. He was like, oh, to heck with this. And he flew off. Well, pretty soon, Aandeg finds himself just kind of walking around the side of the road. Didn't have a job, didn't know what to do. And he sees Makwa, the bear. He goes, hey, Makwa, I don't know what my life's purpose is. Can you show me how you live? And Makwa was like, oh, for sure. So he takes him into the woods and he teaches him how to find the berries that are good to eat. And he takes him down to the river and he shows him how to fish by smacking fish right out of the water. And he takes him to the dump and he shows him where the good garbage is to eat. And then finally he takes him back to his home and he says, hey, now I will teach you how to take a nap for the whole winter. Aandeg turns his head and he says, oh, what? You nap all winter long? Listen, Makwa, it may be good for you, but I don't think it's good for me. You have shown me your ways, and I respect you for it. But these are your ways, and they are not mine. I must leave you, Makwa. But let me tell you, in the spring when you wake up, we gotta have dinner together, because now you are my friend. And that is why every spring, when you go down to the dump, you will see Makwa the bear eating with Aandeg the crow. They are friends. And that is the story of Aandeg and Makwa. Hoka hey, and you have been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Higawabamin, Minawa, Hoa. And there you have it, my girl. The story of Aandeg and Makwa.